Hello, everyone. I am Momin Musa, postdoctoral research associate at Louisiana State University and the program manager of Tran-SET UTC. The whole Tran-SET family is grateful for receiving the CUTC New Initiatives Program Award. Using this award, we are planning to develop a comprehensive workforce development program to advance leadership in critical transportation technologies. In this presentation, I will briefly describe the project and discuss how the outcomes might be usable and transferable to CUTC in the future. In this presentation, I'll start by overviewing the program description and its objectives. Then I will go over the tasks which will be executed throughout the project. And then I'll go over the timeline. And finally, I will provide answers to key questions which are of interest to the CUTC members. On March 31st, 2021, President Joe Biden unveiled the second part of his Build Back Better agenda, the American Jobs Plan. In this plan, it was emphasized that there are key barriers to careers in high innovation sectors, and these barriers remain significant. And therefore, it was suggested that there are lots of activities that need to be done to improve access to the higher wage sectors of our economy. Another parts of the American Jobs Plan highlighted new technologies which are critical to both our future economic competitiveness and our national security. These new technologies from a transportation perspective include electric vehicles, sustainability, artificial intelligence, and climate resilience. And that's why the key objective of this program is to develop a comprehensive workforce development program that advances the workforce and educates the transportation professionals on these emerging topics, which include electric vehicles, sustainability, artificial intelligence, climate resilience, as well as innovative construction materials. So the outcomes of this project is expected to mitigate the barriers previously mentioned in the American Jobs Plan. And the way we are planning to design this program, that it will be designed in a way to make it beneficial and transferable to all the CUTC members, as I will show in the following slides. Now I will go over the tasks which will be executed over the project duration. In the first task, we will create a new student chapter in collaboration with the Transportation Research Forum. And this chapter will start with a 4-person advising committee, including a member involved in policy, logistics, and analysis of transportation services. And we are planning to conduct at least 2 events each year as a part of this new chapter initiative. And also we are planning that this new chapter will be ongoing even after the end of the CUTC project. And to ensure that this task is beneficial and transferable to all CUTC members, we are planning to reach out to all the CUTC members to engage them in becoming members in this chapter. In task 2, the TRF chapter, which is created in task 1, will organize a 3 one-day summits in Louisiana, Texas, and Arkansas with the help of our Tran-SET partner universities in these states. Each summit will include 8 breakout sessions and a networking forum. Day 1 will be carried out in Louisiana and will cover different topics, including artificial intelligence and electric vehicles. Day 2 will be in Texas and will cover different topics related to sustainability and climate resilience, while Day 3 will be conducted in Arkansas and will cover different topics related to innovative construction materials. And again, to ensure that this task is beneficial to all CUTC members, we are planning to disseminate the 3 summits through advertising them in underrepresented group meeting venues. We are also planning to broadcast live all the 3 summits to allow all CUTC members and transportation professionals worldwide to attend. We are also planning to record the 3 summits and upload the recordings on Tran-SET's social media. Then task 3 will be conducted in parallel with task 2 and will involve conducting different competitions during the summits to increase the attendees' engagement in these summits. In these competitions, the attendees will be required to solve MCQs prepared by the presenters of the summits, and the high scorers will receive internships. Then in task 4, we will provide internships. So each of the 3 top scorers in the 3 days will receive a 1-month fully paid internship to travel to any of the Tran-SET partnering universities. And a part of this internship will include working on site on select research projects related to the topics which were covered in summits. Also, the students will be monitored to advance their writing skills and write research papers for publication. This table shows the project timeline. Task 1 will take about 3 months. Task 2 and 3 will take about 7 months. And then task 4 will take about 2 months. Now I will provide answers to the key questions which are of interest to CUTC. The first question is related to the key deliverables of this project and how these deliverables will be shared and disseminated to benefit CUTC members. So as I have indicated in the project tasks that we are planning to have ongoing student chapter, we will have live broadcasts of our summits, we will have recordings of summits, we will have educational materials prepared by the presenters related to the different topics covered in the summits. We are also planning to have 3 research papers as an output of the internships, and all of these deliverables will be promoted and archived on Tran-SET's website, social media, YouTube channel, newsletters, and listserv, as well as will be shared with all the CUTC members. And the second key question is related to how the proposed program will support the CUTC's mission. So the CUTC's main mission is to promote university research, education, and workforce development as essential to the nation's transportation system. So the internships provided in this program will engage students in cutting-edge research, satisfying the research mission. Also, the summits organized in this project will educate the attendees on critical transportation topics, fulfilling the education mission. And finally, the organized summits will enhance access to careers in high innovation sectors, fulfilling the workforce development mission. So with this, I summarize my presentation. Thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Thank you very much.